Hey guys, Harmony here, and in today's video basically I'm just going to be showing you guys how to sit there and partition your new drive, either hard drive or SSD, because I, Harmony MLG, just got a new SSD and I'm hooking it up. I didn't need any Google or ChatGPT because I've done it before, and I was like, listen, let me make a video for you guys. So basically all you have to do is you plug in your joint, right? You use the SATA cables and all that jazz, and you're going to type in partition, and you're going to see right here, create and format hard disk partitions. You're going to click that, and it should take you to disk management. You might have to hit OK or whatever, but your disk should be detected. You'll see it right here, and then what you want to do is you're going to sit there, and you're going to right click, new sample volume, hit the wizard, hit next. I'm assigning it E because I had a hard drive and I forgot to buy the SATA power cables, so I pretty much wiped the drive and it's going with E. You know, it's inheriting it. It's a hand-me-down, you know? Next, I'm going to call it SSD 2. And next, here's what it looks like. La 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 la. Finish. And bam. Right there, dude. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that space. Now you got your brand new SSD waiting to be used. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Harmony MLG, and this is my outro.